Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how people are realistically earning 20 to 30 bucks per day using Adsterra and alternative ad networks in 2026. This is not a get rich quick method. This is traffic plus monetization done correctly. If you're patient, consistent, and follow the steps, this can become a steady daily income stream. Excuse me. So let's get into it. What is Adsterra, right? And why people use it? Adsterra is an advertising network. It pays you when people view ads, click ads, or interact with ads on your traffic. Why people choose Adsterra? Accept beginners, no strict approval like AdSense, works well with global traffic, supports multiple ad formats. This makes it perfect for new websites, download pages, tools pages, content blogs, utility landing pages. How Adsterra actually pays you. You make money based on traffic quality, visitor location, ad format. Popular ad types like social bar, native ads, banner ads, or the direct links. For beginners, start with direct links or social bar. They're simple and convert well. Now, create your Adsterra account. Okay, sign up as a publisher. So we're gonna hit sign up here and sign up as a publisher here. You need email, website, or traffic source, basic info. Good news, you don't need a website at first if you are using direct links. Okay, so let me add here, not this email, let me add another email. All right, log in. Password. Messenger, Teams, Facebook. Let's say. Okay. And enter, of course, your Messenger account and your country here. Let me, yeah, Instagram. OG. Right. I've read and accept terms and conditions and hit sign up here. Okay, login is already exists. Right, I'm gonna wait for a few moments. Right, now what we're gonna do, we're gonna confirm our email. So go ahead, confirm your email. If you're using Gmail or Yahoo or iCloud for that matter, just go ahead and check. If you didn't find it here, you're gonna find it, of course, in the junk here in the left hand menu, or spam, excuse me. Right, basically you're gonna wait for a confirmation. Let me go ahead, put it in inbox, should be here somewhere. Right here, and confirm your email. Confirm email. All right. Okay, call is confirm. Wait until you are directed. Right. Of course, you enter your email, your password, and confirm that you're a human. Log in. Right. So yeah, once approved, access your dashboard, generate ad links, track earnings in real time. Right. Next, the traffic rule. This is where most people fail. Adsterra doesn't make money by itself. Traffic is everything. To earn 20 to 30 bucks daily, you need consistent visitors from the right sources. Best traffic sources in 2026 are Pinterest, Telegram channels, Facebook groups, done right, SEO blogs, free tools pages, Reddit, carefully. Avoid bot traffic, paid fake traffic, or spam clicks. That gets accounts banned. Right? Now, simple method here: direct link versus or direct link plus free tool page. This is beginner friendly, so create a simple landing page. So let me, see right here, the dashboard. Net statistics, website referrals, API. Okay, create a simple landing page. Offer something useful in Adsterra direct link. Right. So I'm gonna add smart link here. Adult or mainstream. And they're reviewing your smart link here. Right, you're gonna wait and add this smart link or add the link anywhere, paste it in social media posts or website. It works great with Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, or Telegram, and more. And you can track and make changes, track statistics, and manage your links settings. Click edit to change your link name or review or remove ads that you don't want to display. All right. Examples of offers here: online tools, file converts, generators, free downloads, AI tools, directories. Right? User clicks, ad opens, you earn. This method works very well with mobile traffic, tier 2 and tier 3 countries. Method number 2, content plus social bar ads. This is more stable long term. You're gonna create a basic content blog or basically page and add social bar ads and get traffic from search or social, right? And why social bar works: non-intrusive, mobile-friendly, high engagement. Even low click traffic can generate income. Geography matters. Not all traffic pays the same. Higher paying countries are United States of America, UK, Canada, Germany. Medium paying Eastern Europe, Latin America. High volume, lower payout Asia and Africa. The secret: mixed volume plus decent CPM. You don't need premium traffic to earn daily. So how 20 to 30 bucks daily is realistic? Right? Let's be realistic. Example: 2,000 visitors a day. Average CPM 10 bucks. Earnings 20 bucks a day. Or fewer visitors, higher engagement, better ad placement. Consistency beats spikes. Now, alternative networks that you can combine. Smart publishers don't rely on one network. Use Adsterra with popular ads, montag, pop ads carefully. Rotate ads, test performance, keep what works. Diversification protects income. Now, here's an optimization tips that you can use. Small tweaks make big differences. Optimize ad placement, mobile versus desktop, page speed, CTA positioning. Track click-through rate or CTA, earnings per country, best pages. Kill what doesn't work, scale what does. Now, avoid expecting money without traffic, spamming links everywhere, using bots, giving up too early, or not testing format. Ad networks reward patience. Now, timeline you should expect here: week 1, setup and testing; week 2 or 3, first earnings; first month, consistent daily income. Scale slowly, protect your account. This works because ads will always exist. Businesses pay for attention. Traffic is valuable. But no traffic, no money, no patience, no results. Treat this like a system, not a trick. Now, if you like this video, just like the video, turn on the notification bell, subscribe after you subscribe, and comment below Adsterra to know that you watched the whole video. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.